Welcome to Slow Flow English.
Wow, look at all those lights. The whole street feels alive tonight. I love this energy, it makes me smile.
Yeah, it feels like the city's heart is beating. Every sound mixes music, voices, laughter. It's busy, but kind of peaceful too.
Let's start with something easy. Maybe fried rice?
Fried rice at a night market? Bold choice.
Hey, I saw someone adding cheese on top.
Cheese makes everything better.
Smells amazing already. Think they added garlic and soy sauce?
My stomach's celebrating right now.
You and your food jokes again.
Oh, look, they're making skewers there. The smoke looks like a signal for food lovers.
It smells sweet and spicy at the same time. Let's get two, one spicy, one mild.
Careful, it's hot right off the grill.
Ouch! Too late. I burned my tongue.
Happens every time you get excited.
Because food is worth the pain. The sauce has honey in it, right?
I think so, and maybe sesame oil.
This mix of sweet and spicy is perfect.
You could write a food poem about it.
Look at that noodle stand over there. The chef is moving so fast. I love watching people cook like that.
Me too. It's like dancing with flavor. Want to try one bowl?
Sure, but no extra chili this time.
Last time you almost cried.
That was emotional flavor, okay? The noodles are soft but chewy.
And the broth smells deep, like bone soup.
This could be my favorite so far.
Mine too, and it's cheap.
Let's walk a bit. I need space to digest.
Finally, someone said it. You were eating nonstop for an hour.
That's called dedication, not greed. Hey, do you smell that cinnamon?
Yeah, maybe it's from that dessert cart.
They're frying something around, maybe donuts? Looks crispy. I want one with sugar.
You and sweets are inseparable.
Life short, desserts make it longer.
That's your quote of the night.
Write it down before I forget. I think that stall sells Japanese takoyaki. The chef's turning them so fast with sticks. It looks like a game more than cooking.
Yeah, and the smell's making me hungry again.
You just ate noodles 10 minutes ago.
My stomach runs on snacks only.
Wow, look how the bonito flakes move.
It's like the food is alive.
Should we try one plate to share?
Sure, but I want extra mayo.
Soft inside, crispy outside.
That combination always wins.
I could eat this every day.
You say that about every food here.
Oh, they're making Thai pad Thai over there. It smells so tangy and fresh. The cook just squeezed lime on top.
I can almost taste it from here.
Let's share one plate again.
You always say share, but I get one bite.
Fine, you get 2 bites this time.
Generous, Queen.
The noodles are soft, and the peanuts crunch nicely.
I love how the sauce sticks to everything.
Look, that stall sells Indian curry.
The air smells full of spices.
I love that warm, rich smell.
I bet it has coconut milk inside.
Should we try one with flatbread?
Yes, that's the perfect combo.
The curry's golden, almost glowing.
And the bread is soft like clouds.
This flavor feels like a hug.
Then I guess I'm jealous of your curry.
Hey, I think that's Turkish kebab. The meat is spinning on that tall stick. I love how juicy it looks.
The smell alone could fill me up.
Let's get one wrap and share again.
I'm noticing a pattern here.
The bread is warm and soft. I love it.
The sauce has a little kick too.
This market has food from everywhere.
Yeah, it's like traveling without flying.
That's why I love street food.
It's simple, cheap, and full of heart.
I could stay here all night.
Same, there's still so much to try.
Don't forget the dessert section.
Lead the way, dessert expert.
The crowd's getting smaller now.
Yeah, it's quieter but still feels alive.
Lights look softer than before. Everything's glowing like a warm painting.
It's the perfect time for something sweet.
Look, they're selling honey pancakes. The honey is dripping slowly, like gold. Let's get one before it's gone.
You read my mind again.
It's so soft, I barely need to chew.
The honey tastes pure, not too sweet.
This could be my favorite dessert here.
Careful, you say that every 5 minutes.
Do you hear that music?
Yeah, someone's playing guitar near the fountain.
It sounds calm, kind of nostalgic. Makes me think of my last trip to Vietnam.
Did you go to the markets there too?
Every single day. Food there was amazing.
I went to one in Hanoi once. They had grilled fish and spicy soups. I loved how people laughed while eating.
Markets always show the heart of a place.
You sound like a traveler already.
Maybe I was one in another life.
That would explain your endless curiosity.
Curiosity tastes better than fear.
That's a deep quote for a market night.
Maybe it's the sugar talking.
Or maybe it's just you being honest.
Hey, look at that Turkish ice cream. The seller keeps teasing people. He's fast! The cone disappears every time.
It failed instantly at that game.
Let's try. I want to see if I can win.
I'll record it for evidence.
Got it! Finally got the ice cream.
The crowd's cheering for you.
I feel like a hero holding this cone.
Don't drop it, hero.
It's melting already.
That's okay, sweet things fade fast.
You sound poetic tonight.
Must be the lights or the sugar.
Or both. Either way, it's nice.
The market feels calmer now.
Yeah, the air's cooler, people are slowing down. I like this hour not too loud, not empty.
It feels like the world is breathing with us.
Maybe that's why I love nights like this. Most of the stalls are closing now.
Yeah, even the music's fading away.
The quiet makes the lights prettier. Everything feels softer at this hour.
Let's get some coffee before we go.
Good idea. My feet need a break, too.
That little cafe still has lights on.
I like how quiet it looks inside.
Smells like fresh beans and chocolate. I'll get us 2 lattes, my treat.
You don't have to. I can pay this time.
Too late. I already ordered.
You always move faster than me.
Maybe I just know what you like.
The cup's warm, feels good to hold.
Coffee always smells like calmness.
This is my favorite kind of ending. A quiet night, full stomach, soft lights.
And someone to talk with.
You sound sentimental tonight.
Blame the coffee. It makes me honest.
Then drink more. I like this version of you.
Careful. I might start writing poetry.
I'd read it even if it's terrible. Look, the moon's over the rooftops. Looks huge tonight, almost golden.
Perfect backdrop for our last cup.
I wish I could freeze this moment.
You can just remember it well.
You say that like it's easy.
It's easy when the memory's warm.
The owner's turning off the lights now.
Guess that's our cue to leave.
I don't want to go yet.
Me neither, but we'll be back.
Promise? Same market? Same time?
Promise. Maybe even same snacks.
I'll hold you to that.
Deal. No backing out later.
The street's quiet, but my heart's loud.
That's a nice line. You should write it down.
I'll remember it instead.
That's better, safer there.
The wind feels cooler now.
It smells like rain's coming soon.
Then it's the perfect time to say goodbye.
Goodbye for now, not forever.
I'll see you when the lights return.
Until then, keep your stories warm.
I will, and maybe write a few more.